Let's take a look at the linear log question here. The diagram shows part of a straight line obtained by plotting x squared y against x. Find an expression for y in terms of x. This part 1 here, since I'm given the diagram, we can work out what gradient is. So gradient will be equals to y minus y coordinate, so 7 minus 3, divided by x minus x coordinate, so 6 minus 0. So what I have here will be 4 over 6, that's 2 over 3. Next one, this question is very good because I can see the y-intercept is 3. So I'm just going to write it down. C is equals to 3. And I'm going to make use of this straight line, capital Y equals to M, capital X plus C. The capital Y is the y-axis label where you can see is x squared y, so I'm going to replace it. And M is gradient, 2 over 3. Capital X is the x-axis, so it's still x. And C value is 3. Let's read the question again. We need to express y. So I'm going to divide x squared, each term. And this one here, when you divide by x squared, so I'm going to rewrite this one as 2x over 3. When you divide by x squared means I put x squared underneath. So same goes to this one here. So I'm going to write one more step for you to see. So therefore, y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 3 over x squared. That's part 1 of the question. Let's take a look at part 2. Find x where y equals to 5 over x squared. Okay, let me tell you something here. Of course, you can directly replace this y value into this position and work out what x is. Now, what I'm going to do differently is that if, let's say, I adjusted this one to x squared y equals to 5, what I can do now is, this is x squared y. I know this one only left with x, so I'm going to replace directly into this line over here. So what I will get here is that 5 equals to 2 over 3x plus 3. Minusing 3, I'll have 2 equals to 2 over 3x. Multiply 3 both sides, 6 equals 2x. So therefore, x is equals to 3. Alright, so this is part 2. Let's take a look at part 3. For the above equation found in 1, suggest another expression for the vertical and horizontal axis such that a straight line can also be plotted. What is the value of the gradient and vertical intercept of this new equation? Now I'm going to make use of this line in part 1 to do part 3. So notice this one contains variable x and also this one here. So we want to get one of them as constant, and instead of multiplying x squared, so that this one front here is x squared y. So the next option I can do is multiply x. Okay, so look, this one multiplied by x. If this one multiplied by x, what I'll get is 2 over 3. And I'll take this multiplied by x, I will get 3 over x. Now I'm going to rewrite this one again so that's clearer for us. So I rewrite this one as 3 multiplied by 1 over x. And I move this one behind plus 2 over 3. So what can you see now is that I will plot x, y against 1 over x. Let me write down here. So we can plot x, y against 1 over x. And let's answer. So this value here will be gradient and this value here will be vertical intercept. So we'll have gradient equals to 3, vertical intercept equals to 2 over 3. That's all for this linear log question over here.